Welcome back to Ben Films. In this video, I'll show you how to make a piece of EVA foam. Let's get started. First, take your Carnage mask and remove the epoxy from the eyes. Next, remove the black fabric. After that, remove all the paint from the mask. Then remove some details using the reverse glue gun. Next, remove the eyes. Then pull out all the teeth. Next, undry the glue so you can pull the pieces apart. Use the freeze gun to flatten the pieces. Use a reverse knife to fuse the pieces back together. And finally, erase the template lines from the foam. And with that, you have an amazing blank piece of foam. Thanks for watching. Make sure to unsubscribe and dislike the video, and I'll see you next time.